pleas challenging Bihar's SIR. The Supreme Court has now asked EC to publish the details of all 65 lakh voters who have been deleted from the Bihar draft voter list, along with the reasons for the deletion. It has also asked ECI to accept Aadhaar card as a valid document. The top court directed the poll body to publish advertisements and also in local newspapers stating that people can check the same. Petitioners' lawyers, Nizam Pasha, alleges arbitrary deletion from the voter list, citing 231 names missing from a single booth and submitted affidavits from affected voters. Now, Election Commission counsel defended poll panel, saying it has no power to determine citizenship and operates strictly by law. He also stressed on the tough political environment, noting, and I quote, "If they win, EVMs are good. If they lose, EVMs are bad." The matter of SIR now picking pace in Supreme Court, with court now asking the poll body to publish the names of all 65 lakh voters whose name have been deleted from the draft rolls, as well as mandating that Aadhaar card be used as a proof of citizenship for electors in Bihar. And the latest, of course, coming in as far as Bihar SIR issue is concerned, the Supreme Court has now asked Election Commission to publish all the names of 65 lakh voters who have been deleted, along with the reason for their deletion. And this comes as petitioners knocked on the doors of top court, alleging arbitrary deletion, citing that at least 231 names went missing from a single booth and submitted affidavits from affected voters. My colleague Piyush Pandey joining us with more details. Piyush, the SIR matter now heating up. Supreme Court has directed ECI to take strong actions, ensuring that Aadhaar card should be used to register a voter.
Yes, Shweta, after consent of ECI, Supreme Court in its interim order directed the Election Commission of India to make a public searchable list of 65 lakh voters names which are deleted from the draft electoral roll after the special intensive revision exercise and give the reason for deletion. Two judges bench in continuing hearing of third day on a batch of petitions challenging the Election Commission of India decision to conduct a special intensive revision of electoral roll in poll-bound Bihar. In the previous hearing, Justice Bashi summarized the petitioner's argument that it was a battle between constitutional enlightenment and constitutional rights. And today, Supreme Court ordered to Election Commission of India to make public a searchable list of 65 lakh voters' names which are deleted from the draft electoral roll. Yes, Shweta.
All right, and it was a heated conversation in the court today, Piyush, for ECI and its counsel in the court said that they will blame Election Commission. In fact, they will blame EVMs and, stressing on the fact that it is a tough political environment, and that's the reason why Election Commission is facing the heat of opposition parties.
Yes, Shweta, today and before that day, basically today is the third day of hearing, and all days Election Commission of India interrupted between petitioners' arguments, and today also Election Commission of India said that basically that is a too much large number of voters in Bihar, and we are doing a special intensive revision process. That is a very huge list, and we are want a suggestion to political parties why they are blaming us. So there are many heated arguments given by the Election Commission of India and petitioners also. Yes, sir.
All right. The Apex Court is seeking transparency. It says that the entire data set should be up on website with details of people who are dead, who've been removed on account of registration in another state, and put a system in place where voters are not made to run behind political party leaders as well as citizens. Right should not be at the mercy of block level officers. Strong observation there coming from the Apex Court. Joining us on the show is Rudra Vikram. Rudra Vikram Singh is an advocate in the Supreme Court. Also with us is Dr. Rajiv Nanda, also an advocate in Supreme Court. Thank you very much, gentlemen, for taking time out. I want to come to you, Rudra Vikram Singh, first. What are you making of these observations? Could you unmute yourself, please?
See, the well-articulated order or judgment, I would say, as an interim measure for the petitioners. Obviously, if anybody is being deleted from the voter list, the reason should be known to them. It cannot be arbitrary. Uh, Hence, the Honorable Court has directed to publish those 65 lakhs voter list along with the details why you have deleted their name. They on the during the hearing they said the name as well, that why the Poonam Devi's name was deleted. You should write in the column that why she has been deleted from the voter list. You will have to give the reason, and you will publish this on your website as well as the district level website if you have, and if you have any social media for the district level office, then they'll have to also publish this data, and also at the booth panchayat level, this has to be displayed so that everybody should aware that my name has been deleted or not. And one thing, Honorable Court has clarified that should be searchable by the EPIC number. EPIC is that is election photo identification number. In our voter ID, there is a EPIC number. So from that EPIC number, it should be searchable. So Honorable Court, and this is the first step. Honorable Court has said this is the first step we are doing it. Although some petitioner has said that the region should also there should be a display also that what document I have submitted during this revision. So Honorable Court has said that we will see this in the second step. First, let them publish the data of 65 lakhs voter. When they said that we will not do it in a very short duration, the court has said that there are 7 point something data already available on your website. So you can publish those 65 lakh voters detail, and this is fair enough. I would say, if you will ask my opinion, this is a fair enough. If you have added my name in the list, there may be a reason. Now you are deleting my name, there may be a reason. So
Absolutely.
at least reason should be known
The
to me.
reason should be clear, 100%. 100%. The reason should be clear. And I'll come back to, let me also quickly get in Dr. Rajiv Nanda. Dr. Nanda, would it be fair to say at this point that petitioners are seeing some early gains as far as the hearing in court is concerned, with court necessarily not siding with ECI and siding in favor of petitioners, that they have a right to know why they have been excluded?
Yes, certainly, it's a very good order today. You can't say that it's an early lead or something like that, but certainly we can say that this is a slight change in the stand of the Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court. Earlier, they were saying that the Election Commission of India, being the expert body, has the right to conduct such kind of exercise, and they are in a better position to know if somebody has to be deleted or not. But with today's reasoning coming that the persons whose name has been deleted, the reason should be given on the website. First of all, it has to be uploaded on the website that such and such people's name have been deleted. And the website should contain the reason in front of that name as to, for the X name, Y is the reason or Z is the reason. So the person will be in a position to show to the court that, look, this is the, like what they are saying, that maybe A, B, C, D document has not been submitted. And the person will be in a much better position to now know and say to the court that, look, this is what the so-called expert body is saying, that these are the reasons and these reasons don't exist at all. And this is what the case of the petitioners perhaps is, that the Election Commission of India is not conducting itself in a fair manner. And if this comes true, then perhaps, yes, the stand of the petitioners will stand vindicated.
Okay. Let's quickly circle back on the issue of Aadhaar being used as an eligible document. Rudra Vikram Singh, this is the third time Supreme Court is saying that please ensure Aadhaar card is used as an acceptable document. Now, the earlier two times it was not a directive, it was a suggestion, but I believe this time it is a directive.
Yes, now this is a direction that you should include this Aadhaar card as a military documents, because everywhere. You go to bank, you will have to produce your Aadhaar card. You go to your airport, you will have to produce an Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card is everything. For Honorable Supreme Court has said in this order of Aadhaar that Aadhaar cannot be mandatory. Aadhaar cannot be asked. This should not be a mandatory document. But in India, wherever you will go, Aadhaar would be a mandatory, and this is the only document you will be asked. So why can't be Aadhaar is a document to be listed my name in the voter list? So Honorable Court has directed this also, that Aadhaar card, if my name has been deleted in the list and I'll produce Aadhaar card, then their name can be included. So this is, I think, this is the best thing, because earlier the Aadhaar card, the voter ID, these were not included. And if you remember, when I think Honorable Justice Dhulia was hearing the matter, he once said that those documents which you are referring, it is possible that I should also not have those documents. So this was just observation while at the time of argument. But yes, this was true. So now this time Aadhaar card, because when everywhere Aadhaar is mandatory for opening an account, for getting any benefit from the government, and I think this is fair enough.
Okay. Would it be fair to say, therefore, Dr. Nanda, it would be incumbent upon ECI to now ensure that all those 65 lakh voters, or some of them whom are now coming on record to say, we're very much here, we are alive, we're not dead, we've not relocated, we should be allowed to use Aadhaar as a valid document?
Yes, of course. Of course, it will be now for all those people who have these valid documents. And it was quite surprising last week when it came up and it was reported and widely circulated in the media also, that even if you have Aadhaar card, PAN card and the election card, still these three in combination also will not make you eligible or a right to be calling yourself a citizen of India. And I was wondering, if these three documents are not good enough, what else? And is everybody...
Right.